Hi, my name's John Catchpole. I'm a partner at a law firm called Anstey LLP. We're a law firm. We provide legal services to businesses and organisations across a range of sectors, and we've got a team of lawyers who focus on providing those legal services and business advice to businesses in the space sector. Anstey is a national law firm, and we're lucky enough to have an office in Truro in Cornwall. So becoming a member of the Cornwall Space Cluster is a natural fit for us, and it's been fantastic for us to be able to be the part of the cluster, supporting businesses and helping the growth. Cornwall Space Cluster provides a fantastic network to all of the members in its cluster. For us in particular, it's the introductions to businesses that we can help to support networks and understanding what the opportunities are for the future of the region. And also, really interestingly, seeing how Cornwall Space Cluster can work alongside other clusters across the country to support the national space strategy.